Hi, welcome to the 8th Maya tutorial in the modeling the bedroom. So let's just keep on working. So let's get started. I think I'm going to model out these CDs real fast, get the cases in there, and maybe we'll try to fit the monitor in, see if we have enough time. So let's go to Create, Polygon Primitives, create a cube, move it up, scale it in, scale it out a little bit, scale it up, down slightly, scale it in. Let's go ahead and insert edge loop right about there. Go to insert edge loop right about there, right about there. Go to, move that over slightly. Go to faces, select these two faces, and just extrude them out just a tiny bit, just barely. That looks good. And then, let's see, go to Create, Polygon Primitives, Cylinder, move the cylinder up, rotate it, the Z, -90, just scale it in, scale it way down, press 4 to go into wireframe. So change your subdivision axis to, let's see, 32 should be good. Scale it up. Scale it in quite a bit. Go to, we're going to go ahead and assign a material to it, just because we're going to be copy and pasting it and we don't want, and we'll just have like the same material for them. So let's go to assign favorite material if you're using Maya 2011. Not just assign new material. Go to blend. What's that to? Let's see. Just black sort of color. Actually, no, let's go for white. Just reflectivity is good where it's at. That should be good. Let's see. Go to select your cube now. Assign material, blend, change that to a black color. Or now a little, just gray. Gray should be good. And change your transparency up to, let's go to shading, smooth shade all. So that should be good. Transparency right about there, maybe up a little bit more. Then what we can do is go to faces and select these faces on the back and assign new material, blend, change that to black, and don't change the transparency at all. So that looks good for the CD case. Let's see. Let's go ahead and make the the holders. Should be pretty easy. Create a polygon primitive cube, move it up, scale it down, scale it out to right about there. What we can do is just go faces, extrude them in quite a bit. And then just extrude it down. Maybe not that far down, right about there should be good. Alright, that should be good. Let's go to just edges. Select those ring of edges right there. Edit mesh, bevel. Just bevel them a little bit. Change the offset to 0.1 should be good. Looks good. Just actually we could change the bevel on this actually. Select those edges on the outer rim of the case. Make sure you get the right one selected. Make sure you got them all selected. go to bit mesh and bevel those a little bit. Actually, change the offset to 1. Make sure you just get the case and the CD selected. Probably stand to scale it down slightly. Make sure it fits snugly in there. So I just select this face and just move it up a little bit. Right about there. Then we can go to mesh, combine those. And what we can do is just center pivot, Control D, duplicate, and then Shift D to just duplicate it the same amount you just did before, and just set up some CDs right there. Just doesn't have to go all the way back. Just move this into position. Let's go to mesh, combine all those CDs together. Just stand to scale it down slightly. Actually, let's just move this case, make it a little bit smaller. So that looks good. Let's go ahead, select those CDs, Control D, duplicate, just move it over. So that looks good for now. Let's go to Create, Polygon Primitives, create a cube, scale it out a little bit, scale it in, see how that looks. Actually scale it down quite a bit, it's not that big. Look at the monitor, see what it looks like. Let's just go to faces, select that face, extrude it in, go to our reference. Alright, extrude in, right about there. What we can do is go to vertices and just move these top vertices up slightly. So that looks good. Go to faces and just extrude it in just a tiny bit. And scale it in. Go to faces, select that face, extrude it down quite a bit. Extrude it once more and just scale it down quite a bit again. So that looks good. What we can actually do, see if you press 3, it just pretty much makes a circle. You don't want that, so we can go ahead and add some edge loops in here. Edge loop right there, edge loop right there, edge loop on the sides, edge loop right there. Let's just see how that looks, see if it looks any better. See, that's already looking pretty good. Let's take off our wireframe unshaded. Gonna need to sharpen up some of these edges still. So what we need to do is put an edge loop right about there. See if that helped us out. Okay, we're gonna need to add insert an edge loop right in here. Zoom way in. Make sure. Alright. Oops. Yeah, you gotta get zoomed in way in there. Tighten up those edges. So that's looking pretty good. Tighten up this edge as well in the back. So that looks pretty good. Move that over. Move it into position. Just rotate it slightly. So you know, we'll just wait till we get the stand in there. But that's going to wrap it up for this tutorial. We'll finish it off. Go ahead and put the stand in there on the back of the monitor, and maybe next tutorial we'll get the computer in there. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.